This is Module 8, Task 1, Plane Dissection. In this module, you'll need to separate the layers of the small piece of neoprene. You can use whichever graspers that you'd prefer, and in reality, you're likely to have an assistant port, but in this case, you'll only be using your two instruments. This activity quite nicely replicates that of an ovarian cystectomy and requires you to be able to apply traction and counter traction at appropriate angles, as well as to move your graspers and pass the material hand to hand. You need to be able to separate the two pieces in 2 minutes.